garbage out.
Brr, brr, brr. Hey everyone, I'm Louie. My dog William and I have been living in a van off and on for a little over 2 years now. So far, we have adventured through 21 states and 3 Canadian provinces. We've climbed, hiked, and have met a bunch of awesome nomads along the way. After a few months' break living in a house through the beginning of the pandemic, we have built out a whole new van and hit the road again. This time, caravanning with my mom and her pup Lady. Thanks for watching and subscribe to find out where we end up each week. I am on breakfast duty for the time being. My mom and I split up what meals we are going to be responsible for, and I'm responsible for breakfast, this round of groceries. I'm making cinnamon rolls again. I made them for the first time in my video about Arches National, and they came out pretty well. So we're gonna do them again because pretty delicious. This time I'm gonna try not to burn the bottom of the cinnamon rolls. So, yay! Sad day. But that's okay, we'll still eat the top.
Aww. They look beautiful.
Yummy, yummy.
It's just the outside anyways.
Vegan sausage patties, or fake sausage patties. Sausage patties. This time. Good morning. It's so bright out here.
It is. I'm also starting to kind of note.
So it is a sort of lazy desert kind of day. I'm working on editing this week's video and really excited because it seems like there's a lot more people on this channel than there were a couple months ago. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Louie and I'm so happy you're here and joining the family of nomads, van dwellers, and vagabonds and adventurers, and it's just so cool to see this community growing, and I'm having so much fun with it. So I'm gonna keep making videos for a while, for a very long time, and as long as it continues to make me happy. I'm so happy to see my hard work pay off, and most importantly, seeing this community grow and seeing ideas and inspiration and things spread via the internet. So it's really cool. I'm just sitting here working. I'm also watching the presidential election because today is November 4th, and I'm just watching which direction it goes in, and I have this like low level of stress watching this. I'm really hoping for the best. So I'm sitting here and William keeps going in and out of the van, back and forth, because it's sunny outside and cool in here. So he's like, gotta get my sunbathe on, and then I gotta come in and see what mama's doing and hang out in the shade for a little bit, and then he goes back outside. It's great. So it's a good desert day. It's nice to just chill. After I finish editing this video, I will show you the space that we are staying in right now. It's BLM land. Wouldn't you know? We're on BLM land again. Yeah! This is our campsite. It's just an empty lot. Miles and miles. William and I are going to go for a walk. William, come here. He's already leaving. He's like, I'm gonna walk myself. Come here. I'm not ready yet. I hate running, but I always feel like such a good dog mom when I take him on a run. I haven't taken him on a run for like a month or two, so it's time. He loves it. Get that aerobic capacity. Get that aerobic capacity. There's random buildings down there. We're gonna get a little closer, but don't want to get too close. this run has turned into a walk because we're both parched and the sun is beating down on us and we're both out of shape. Good job, William. Let's go back and get some running. Come on. He's tired, boy. Tired, boy. Clean. William, what are you doing? William. He's like, you left me in the van for 15 minutes. William, don't get her bed all dirty. Lady's gonna be salty that her bed's all. William, it's not a toy. William, it's not a toy. William, stop. That's not something to break. William.